to Monoposto, guys. Part 4. No, this is my race 4. My round 4 of Monoposto in Championships. Let's get into it. By the way, this is mobile. This is round 4. Yeah, round 4. China, actually, China. I think China. Yeah, round 4, China. Go. Let's get right into it. Yes. Well, let's go. Remember, this is just a qualifying lap. And also, can you guys please subscribe to my channel? Please like and subscribe to this video. Like and guys, please. I'm just trying to make it to 1,000 subscribers. Like, please. I'm begging to the people that are watching this video, please subscribe. If you guys can please sub, I can make more of these videos. For these, please. Okay, here's the deal. If I win the run for China, you guys will have to like and subscribe. Oh, there is coming. Come on, there is. Come on. Good. Also, if you guys did not know, you can actually pop the tires in Monoposto. Fun fact, super cool. I think I just got the corner dude. So, oopsie daisy, man. Second lap. So second lap. Lap 2. Like and subscribe. So I can keep getting so I can feel more energized when making a video for all of you. If we make it to 15 subscribers, I will do a face reveal. 15 or 100. If we get to 15 immediately, like too fast, I will make it into 100, the face reveal. So guys, can you please subscribe right now? Please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. So I can make. By the way, I'm still a student. So I am also doing school in the middle of this. I mean, well, I'm not training school. No. Never, man. Now I will show you how you pop the tires. I just killed the
We have to retire. I'm so sorry.
Boing. Racing time. First place. Let's go, baby. Habibi time. Did I launch? No, I did not. I'm launch. You need... Wait. Getting a big lead. Holy. That was so fast on the lead. Time to lock in. Let's go. Lock in. Locking in. Time to lock in. Let's go. Lock in. Come on, go faster, go faster. Now we're fine. Okay, lap 2. Let's go. Nice turns, man. By the way, I'm playing on mobile. I'm a mobile player because I'm not rich. Oh shoot.
The car is damaged.
We're
Sorry.
fine. I'm not going to box. Don't care. Front wings done. Come on, sector 2, sector 2. Question for the other people. Is it sector or section? Sector section. Please put it in the comments what is the right answer to that. Because I'm still confused. Is it sector or section? Put it down in the comments. To the massive F1 fan for me. Let's finish in style.
Wonderful race. Well done.
Let's go. Let's continue. Looks like I got first place. You guys will like and subscribe. Looks like you guys will like and subscribe now. Come on, like and subscribe. I know you guys will do it, man. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Alright, this is the end of the championships. I hope you guys liked it.